Guys, Alex from Showtime. Just wanted to show you this cool 2020 Porsche Cayenne. We just got done doing a dash cam in. We do quite a few of these dash cams. This is a black view here. It's a front and rear dash cam. This one has the Wi-Fi connectivity. So to help you protect yourself in case of an accident or anything of that sort. Even when it's parked, it has motion detector. So it could pick up if somebody were to hit you, the front of the vehicle or the rear of the vehicle. This camera has front and rear cameras, and we'll show you the back one also. So it's small and conspicuous and faces towards the back and gives you pretty much a full 180-degree view. So you have coverage on the rear and the front, so your vehicle is completely protected.